Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's May 28th, 2025. This is going to be a short video. I'm about ready to call it quits here. It's going to rain here pretty soon. But we've had 2 good days of decent weather, nice and warm and dry. Now it's going to rain again. But I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update on where things are at. So I did get the portable diesel tank down here. I got this down here. I think yesterday I did. And I got the damaged one over there as well. So the 2 diesel tanks. These are on the ends that don't have the doors opening on them. So we're set there. I brought the Dixie chopper down. I had to use the excavator to pick it up and bring it down here. Couldn't get it to budge. Nothing was going to start with it, jumping it and all. So not sure. So all the wires got pulled free in that when everything got jammed in there. Hopefully the engine isn't seized up. It ran beautifully before. I got the BCS tractor down here as well, picked that up. Brought Pepe down here, the mule, the Kawasaki mule, got that down here. Just one of the things, you know, when the building collapsed, I had no place to put anything, so I just shoved things where the big snow was. So everything got into the snow, then it was in all that mud and all. Then as the snow melted, I started moving things a short distance away. I couldn't move anything down here because I knew I was going to be building this pad for the shipping containers eventually so that I could get here. So these were all up in the lawn. And there's still things up there as well. But I wanted to get things set because the lawn's getting a bit out of control. So I've been bringing things down here bit by bit. You know, another big problem is we lost so much of the shelving units. We're able to salvage some of the stuff that was on shelving units, but all my metal and wood shelving units all got destroyed. So that's a bit of a hassle. So I got some shelving units here. Got this little apparatus I built before down here now. Got a couple more of the saws out of the shop out here today. Got things up on those shelves there. So, you know, the shelving units. So these are 1 by 12 by 1 by 10 by 12s, and they're about every 4 feet apart with this support system that we got. And really, for anything heavy, those are too light. So really need to use 2 by 10s by 12s. And so I got more shelving, more of the bins down here and all. Didn't get to label things, trying to get things into this building so that Kelsey can go through things. Be much better if I got more of them labeled, but I'm sort of pushing it because I spent some time mowing yesterday and working with the figs yesterday, that sort of thing. So we'll just take a walk around and see what else we got here. I got more stuff put into this. Really, it's tough to find spots for everything. But these are the shelving units that were in the sugar shack that weren't destroyed. You know, they're damaged. You know, they got the bent shelves and all that, but they're functional. And I was able to get a lot of the things that were, you know, waterlogged into here as well. And this area here I'm going to leave open for the shelving units to put piping up on this side over here. And I can always pull these out. I think I'm going to end up having to do that so that I can get more shelving in here. So I'm going to probably have to pull a lot of nails from the pile of wood, any 12-footers that I've got out there, from the pile of 2x6s that I salvaged from the building. I think that's what I'm going to have to do so I don't have to buy more 2x10s. So I haven't gotten to this pile in here yet, but boy, when I came in here yesterday, the floor was soaking wet because of the moisture in all of this wood, condensation all over the ceiling in here. Real pain in the butt. But I got some of the bins in here, as you could see, that are labeled. These were in the shop. I got these out here today. There's still more stuff over there. Things aren't organized as well yet as I want them to be. But, you know, it just takes its toll carrying these things out here. Thank God I've got equipment to put it in. I did cut that IBC bladder here, so this is the IBC bladder, and it's covering up the pressure washer in there. And tomorrow when it's raining, hopefully I'll have some time to pressure wash off the windows that I salvaged out of the workshop. So I thought I'd clean these off some before I put them inside, and then let them dry, of course. And let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, this shelving, these boards that I cut the other day, they're just not going to work. They're just not heavy enough, and they're not long enough. Oh, you know, I may be able to put light stuff on there, but just disappointed. Down here, I have 1x hemlocks underneath here, and that will hold up better. But I can't use the plywood, you know, these 1/2 inch and 5/8 inch sheets of plywood cut down to the right width just won't cut it. Maybe on the top of 2x6s that would be fine, but just not going to make it. So there we are. So I think that's everything. And it doesn't look like I did very much, but my body feels like I did plenty, to tell you the truth. So I think that's about it for today's video, folks. Just wanted to share what we got done last couple of days down here, and the shop is looking better, but all the stuff that's outside of the shop, it still has to be transported and somehow get in here. I want to get my trusses in here, anything that can degrade over time, and I need to get, you know, there's just so many things. All the tool bins, I mean parts bins out there, and I have the lockers out there. So somehow I've got to make room for these things. So I need to get somewhat creative. But first I'm going to have to pull a whole bunch of nails, I think. Or just go and buy some more boards. Jeez, I hate the idea. The shelving brackets themselves cost a small fortune. Anyways. And I haven't touched the upstairs of the barn yet to get all of that stuff out here. But I've got most of the stuff from the lower shop out. So I just have a few more loads from the lower shop to get out here. So that's it for today's video, folks. Sorry I keep droning on. I hope you folks stay safe and take good care of yourselves. We appreciate your comments and your ideas. And take care. Have a good evening. Bye-bye now.